Meta recently explained exactly how the ad algorithm works and the ranking system that are used to determine how your ads are going to perform. So whether you're running ads to a freemium school group or a paid one, knowing how this ranking system works is going to save you money on your ad spend. When you hear people talking about meta ads and the algorithm, oftentimes you'll hear people mention Andromeda, but Andromeda is actually only one piece of the ranking system model that Meta uses. So Andromeda isn't the whole algorithm. Andromeda is just one piece of a 5-step system that Meta uses to rank your ads. Step 1 in the process uses a model called Lattice. Lattice is the balancer. So before your ad ever even reaches Andromeda, it has to go through Lattice first. Lattice has one job, is to balance the user experience and the advertiser results. So what this means is, how can we find the balance between making sure that the users have a quality experience so they stay on the platform, because Meta's business model is just selling attention, so they need as much attention as possible, while also delivering you as the advertiser profitable results. All Lattice is really doing is deciding, is this good content or is this content hurting the feed? And this is why for some of your ads, the CPM will be high, and for other ads, the CPM will be low. When you have that low CPM, that means Meta isn't charging you a lot to reach 1,000 impressions, because it's good content and wants to show it to more and more people and keep users on the platform. So what this means is that some of your ads should look like organic content. And if you need inspiration, then all you need to do is look at what's already performing in your feed organically. So if you have organic content that's performing well on its own, you could repurpose that as an ad. And if you don't, you can just study what's working in your niche and model your ad creatives after it. Once you understand that Meta's whole business model revolves around protecting the quality of the user experience so that they can keep attention on the platform, then running ads become easy. All you have to do is look at the content that goes viral, that does well, gets a lot of engagement, and use that to inspire the ads that you run.